Hi, Crypto Boy with you. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over to my platform and I'm going to highlight to you a few of the coins that I'm watching in this period, this January the 11th, 2022. And these are the coins that I'm looking at. After that, I'm going to go over to the chart and we're going to go in depth on the movements of Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems to be going down, but guys, do not lose hope. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. Guys, if it's a first time seeing my channel, please subscribe, like the videos, comment below, and support the content which I post. So this is the profile of one of my accounts, Binance. I do not invest in all of these coins, but it's highly recommend that you add these coins to your favorite platform, Ethena, Alpha, ADA, Dot, Polkadot, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like further down, and that's been 10x, Sol, and all these. One, Harmony, and the last one, Avalon. Now, this is my favorite platform. These are coins that I'm watching in this month of January. It's just unbelievable, the market. Before I invest in any coin, I love to see what is the the market value and also the amount of dollars which is in that specific coin. This is very important before you can make a logical or a sensible decision to invest in any of these coins. So, seeing that I've shown you the section of my profile where I have the coins which are considered to be favored for me, I'm going to go over to the chart of Bitcoin. Now, as you can currently see, Bitcoin is about, say, $42,000, and it's going up, fluctuating. It's increasing a bit. Now, the volume is about $2.18 billion, which is a lot of money to be in the market. Now, let me tap on Bitcoin to the USD. Now, this is the chart. Now, currently Bitcoin is going for $110 for one Bitcoin. And let me just go down. If you go further down, we can see the numbers of bids, the numbers of buyers, sellers. Sellers will be in the red, buyers will be in the green. Now, in order to get a holistic view of this chart, using your phone, you need to go to this section where you have the arrows which are pointed in opposite direction. When you tap on it, it opens the chart to a different view, as you can see. Now, I have been looking at this. Now, before you put your cash, always study the market. There has to be something happening in the market that moves the buyers and sellers in a particular direction. So please, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just one that hopes, speculate that things will grow in a specific direction. Now, what's important, first thing you do, you look at the 5-minute chart to see what's the market like. Now, I hold the position of a bull where I'm just buying. Selling is sometimes difficult because the market can just break through the resistance and just lose all of my cash. So I hold one position, which is to be a buyer. So each time I get an opportunity to buy a coin, I buy it. Currently, I'm holding stocks with Chromia, and Chromia is about, how much is Chromia? I think it's about, say, 0.78 at the current time. Now, since we're speaking of a Bitcoin, and this is just an example of how to invest in the market, keep in mind the different trends that will happen within a 5-minute span, 15-minute span. Now look at this. Now I'm a buyer again, and look at the support that's here on this chart. Oh, support that's going up. So I can go at low as, say, I would prefer to buy on this red, where it's about, say, $41,000, 785. This is the least that it will go. So we could say this is support. Now, if we were to go up, it would be at least, say, 42,400. Now let me just squeeze it a bit to see the long run. And I would say this is an upgoing trend. It's a great opportunity for buyers where they can go, time the market, time when it goes on the 41,000, speculate, then you move in. Let me just go to the 30-minute diagram to see what we can do. Can I do this? We see the bowl, that. No, there's a lot of support here. If it comes to 42,000, which is 42,445, which is great. Let me go smaller. Let me go to the hourly to see what's happening. Still there. Good for. I'm a swing trader, so I'd love to make the most amount of cash I can make through a few hours rather than being a long-term investor where the market can simply just go the opposite direction and smash all my cash out of my pocket. Then, but it's just amazing. Now let me just go deeper. So tell me in the comments, guys, are you a positioner of a buyer or are you someone that is a seller? And if you're a seller, tell me how much would you love to sell and go into the market. I would go into the market, say about, now is a good time when it's at 42,400 because it has come to the say support bar, which is a red one. So I don't believe it will go any lower. So if you were to go into Bitcoin, this will be a great time. Keep in mind also the $4 4-hour note, which is great. It's on the line. It's on the support. I don't think it will go lower than that within these few hours to days. If we go to the day chart, let's see what's happening, which is great. What you do, you swing, get as much as cash as you can throughout the day using the charts, support and resistance. And I highly recommend that you do a portfolio of a buyer because this trend is going up. So you have to grade it and see what's going on. Be mindful of things that would happen. Look at the trends, look at the support, look at the resistance if you're a buyer, and go into the market and make cash. So guys, I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, support the content, share it with your friends and family, and happy trading, and bye.